Alright guys, I just cut this tree down right here. And this is how long it is, bro. This is gonna be a big help for our fort. So we might cut down maybe 2 more. But yeah, this is what we got, and it is massive. Yo, check out this one right here. This is a good one. I'm gonna cut this down. Alright guys, watch me push this tree down real quick. I think that'll work. Oh. Just fall down, tree. It's not that hard, you're dead anyways. I think the roots are still alive. Oh my god, I'm just... Well, I mean, yeah, we can definitely cut that on. Gosh, that was forever. Alright guys, well, I cut down some trees. It's currently dark time, but this is what I got. Yep, pretty cool. And we're gonna put it up there where the fort is tomorrow. So, see you on day 7. Peace.